Hello guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing okay. I know I got some sad news yesterday about not being able to go back to school this year. Just so you know, they are working out like final details, because they'll still have to do like checking out stuff and you'll be able to go and like clean out your locker and everything like that. But of course, since we just found out yesterday, that they're still working on all that stuff and the school will be sending out information about all that kind of stuff. So don't worry about that. It makes me incredibly sad that I don't get to see you guys live and in person. So we'll just have to kind of take this as it goes, right? But we get to learn about World War One. Yay! So let's go into modules, or PAL. Um, if you have not taken the progressive era test, you want to make sure that you do that. Okay, and so there's the review for the tests that I did for you guys, and then there's the quizzes. The test is right here and has all the instructions and the breakdowns for the 4-3-2-1. Here's the retake, so if you need to retake that, you can do that. Then what you guys are doing today is just finishing up the assignment from yesterday. So here's the World War One study guide. Make sure that you save that as well. So then you'll just click on this again and hopefully just continue where you left off. So again, here's me reading it to you guys. Here's the article. Okay, and then here's the Google Doc. Remember that you can click on this arrow and pop that out into a different tab, and then come back here and click on this to make it bigger. And then that makes it, sometimes it makes it a little bit easier to go through the PDF and find the information and then come back to this right here. And you can still have the video playing on here of me reading it to you. Trying to think if there's anything else. Right now, when you get done, remember you do have to come back here and hit the submit button. I hope you guys are doing great. We are going to be starting a new project fourth quarter as Hufflepuff team, so that's going to be exciting. And we're going to talk about the Vietnam War. So there's a lot of wars this quarter. So hopefully you're ready for it. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, and we'll see you out there.